The Untold Secrets to Making Money. Online, step-by-step guide to success. The dream of making money online is one shared by millions, yet only a handful take the leap and achieve it. Why? Because many are held back by doubts, fears, or lack of clear guidance. In this video, we are here to break those barriers, empower your entrepreneurial mindset, and give you the step-by-step roadmap to succeed online. If you've been longing for financial freedom, independence, and the ability to design a life you love, this is your starting point. So, let's dive into the untold secrets that will transform your ambitions into reality. Imagine waking up in a home you designed, living life on your own terms, and working from anywhere in the world, your laptop as your most valuable tool. Making money online offers financial independence, freedom, and limitless opportunities. It's not about being part of an exclusive club of tech geniuses. It's about adopting the right mindset and strategies to unlock the potential of today's digital economy. Now is the time to seize this opportunity and take control of your future. Before diving into the practical strategies, let's address the foundation: your mindset. Success is 80% mindset and 20% execution. To build your online empire, you must believe in yourself, think big, and refuse to bow to the fear of failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Each obstacle presents an opportunity to learn, improve, and grow. Stay patient. Overnight, success is a myth. True growth comes from consistency, resilience, and relentless focus on your goals. Understand this: you are not competing with anyone else. The online space is vast, and your uniqueness is your ultimate weapon. Build your dream with confidence, because no one else can do it the way you will. The options for making money online seem endless, but success begins with clarity. Ask yourself, what are my strengths? What excites me? What problems can I solve? Your answers will guide you toward the most suitable income stream. Here are some of the most popular opportunities. E-commerce, selling products online through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Freelancing, monetizing your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, etc. Digital products, creating online courses, ebooks, or templates. Affiliate marketing, earning by promoting others' products for a commission. Your task? Pick one that resonates with your passion, research its potential, and commit fully. Success thrives on focus. When starting your online venture, preparation is key. Develop the skills you need, understand the tools available, and craft a clear vision for your future. Knowledge is your fuel. Consume resources like online courses, books, and mentorship programs. Learning isn't a one-time task, it's a continuous journey. Additionally, plan your schedule wisely. Making money online doesn't mean winging it. Treat this like any other business. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress daily. Here's a secret no one talks about: preparation means nothing without execution. Stop waiting for perfection. Stop overthinking every step. Making money online requires action, starting now, not later. Even the most polished idea won't succeed if it stays locked in your mind. Start small. Your first product, service, or project doesn't need to be groundbreaking. Test the waters, learn through feedback, and improve as you go. Remember, momentum builds confidence. Every entrepreneur needs the right tools. Depending on your chosen path, some essentials include e-commerce platforms, Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Freelancing portals, Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Content creation, Canva for design, and platforms like YouTube or Instagram for outreach. Productivity tools, platforms like Trello or Notion to keep your projects organized. Start with user-friendly systems to build a strong and manageable groundwork. These tools are here to make your journey easier. Leverage them wisely. In a crowded online space, your unique story sets you apart. Think of yourself as the CEO of your own brand. The first step? Define who you are, what you stand for, and why people should trust you. Utilize social media platforms to share your story, connect with your audience, and showcase your expertise. Consistency in your visual style, tone, and messaging will build awareness and trust. A strong personal brand ensures people remember you and keeps them coming back. Your next big focus should be visibility. You may have the best idea or product, but if no one knows about it, it won't matter. This is where marketing steps in. Start small by leveraging free strategies like social media marketing and SEO. Build connections, whether through engaging with your audience or collaborating with like-minded creators. As you grow, invest in paid advertising or targeted email campaigns. The secret ingredient is authenticity. Create value rather than just selling, and the customers will come. No journey is complete without a roadmap. Setting clear, measurable goals gives you direction and keeps you accountable. Whether you aim to make your first $500, acquire 50 clients, or launch 3 new products, write these goals down and break them into smaller steps. Track your progress using analytics. Whether it's your sales numbers, web traffic, or social media metrics, data helps you refine and amplify your efforts. With each milestone achieved, your confidence will grow exponentially. One hard truth about success is that it rarely happens overnight. Between your first step and your grand achievement lies a seemingly endless bridge of effort. That bridge? Persistence. Stay consistent with your work, even when results seem slow. Keep producing valuable content, reaching out to new clients, and improving your systems. Over time, small daily actions yield monumental results. Persistence is the ultimate differentiator between those who dream and those who succeed. Every entrepreneurial journey has hurdles, whether it's imposter syndrome, procrastination, or moments of discouragement. The key? Anticipate these challenges and prepare to face them head-on. Find motivation in the progress you've already made. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift you when doubt creeps in. And most importantly, remind yourself why you started in the first place. Your why will always reignite your fire. Once you've found a rhythm in your journey, the next step is growth. Scaling doesn't mean working harder, it means working smarter. Automate repetitive tasks to save time, outsource where necessary, and focus on strategic decisions. Leveraging partnerships, expanding your product range, or tapping into new markets are all excellent ways to scale. As you grow your operations, you also grow your income opportunities and impact. Every step forward, no matter how small, deserves celebration. These moments of joy fuel your passion for the journey ahead. Whether it's your first sale, your biggest month to date, or simply launching a project you're proud of, acknowledge each win. But never stop striving for more. Online success is a continuous process of learning, adapting, and creating. With each new goal comes more fulfillment and opportunity. The secrets to making money online aren't magical formulas. They're a combination of mindset, action, and consistency. Now is the time to start. Not tomorrow, not someday, right now. You have the tools, the resources, and the drive within you to achieve greatness. Take that first step, learn through the journey, and build a life that aligns with your wildest ambitions. Your entrepreneurial story begins today, so make it one to remember. Go out there and turn your dreams into tangible, lasting success. The world is waiting for you to show what you're capable of. Let's make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.